So kind of I mapped out a route for today's walk and we'll go to these places. Christopher Columbus Column. I think its poles makes a lot of sense. So that bridge-like path is the Rambla de Mar. Walk along it. Mar is like sea. Barcelona port is called Radio. See the end of the bridge, you can see the timeout market, which I heard is quite touristy, but it's fine to take a look. But if you eat there, I think the prices are a bit elevated. Timeout market. You can get a nice view from the timeout market. The name of this place, Monte España. It's a scenic place. Don't really that many more stalls there. It's a Sunday. Looks like leather masks. Statement rings. We're heading towards Barcelona Beach. This is Placa del Mar Beach. The square in front of the beach.
No?
Name of this beach, Plata de San Miguel. Plata de la Barcelona. From the Barcelona Beach, there is this Barcelona